Hi there, I'm Misty Ann, back in my closet with another weekly wardrobe planning quick tip. This time our guest quick tipper is Jamie Bisel. Jamie did a wonderful job styling my friend Ann Morrison last weekend. Ann is retired, so they came up with some great retirement style outfits, and the tip that she's going to show you this week is inspired by some of the things that they were looking at were around jeans. So I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and join me again this weekend. I'm going to be going on a shopping trip with stylist Jody Skorupski with Style Success. She's going to be helping me fill some of those holes in my wardrobe. In the meantime, hope you have a great rest of your week. Jamie, take it away.
All right, here's the quick tip, Misty. Nowadays, you can take any pair of jeans you want and cut them crooked, just like you're 3 years old. Doesn't matter if they're crooked, jagged, the more crooked the better. There. I need to fix them somewhat. Now they're good. I had initially cut them this length and that was wrong, but I'm going with this, and she definitely doesn't have anything like that in her closet, so I'm going to even them up. Okay, now you see the finished project. I had her put on some boots and then we went and got her belt, but I just chose something really fast because I'd also like to go the gold route with the long gray gold necklace with the tassel and a different belt, or we could do that with a scarf. So she's got a lot of different options, but I like the length of the jeans, and it's a really trendy way that took her 10 minutes, and now she's got a cool pair of $100 jeans.